Hi everyone, I just received my March 2021 Tokyo Treat box and I wanted to share it with you all. If you're not familiar with Tokyo Treat, I'll make sure to put more information about it in the down bar below. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started. So Tokyo Treat is a monthly subscription service that brings new and exciting Japanese snacks and treats to your doorstep every single month. And it's curated by the same people that offer the Yumi Twins, the Sakura Co, and the No Make No Life subscription boxes. So this one comes in a bright orange packaging, and once you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it looks like for the month of March, it's going to be a snack bento. And then of course, it tells you a little bit about the products that come inside, as well as some contests that they have going on. All right, so we'll put that to the side for now. So the first item that I see is really what made me jump to get this box. It was the Kit Kat Peach Parfait. It's a new flavor for the season, and I love peaches, so this was perfect. Next, I see the Kalbi chips, and it looks like it's the fried ginger flavor. The next item is this. Looks like some kind of puff. Next we have this Pokemon Choco Corn. Then we have these Pringles. And then because I signed up for a monthly subscription box and it was my first one, this is the bonus item that came in this month's box. The drink that we got for the month is this melon cream soda. And this was my favorite drink when I visited Japan. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. Then we have this peach flavored caramel corn. And this snack is super popular in Japan as well. You can find them everywhere. Then we've got some smaller snacks, some dagashi snacks. They consider them cheap penny candy, but I think these are always fun to get. These are fun dorayakis. Then we've got umaibo, which is like a corn puff stick. And there's this poreki, kind of like the Pret snacks if you've ever had them in Japan. And it looks like we have this cute pudding marshmallow. And then we've got several more snacks left. And a melon Pandoro panda cookie. So that was everything that came in my March 2021 snack bento themed Tokyo Treat box. I'm looking forward to trying everything inside, and I think most specifically the Kit Kat and the cream soda, as well as the fun ramen Pringles. So if you have any questions, like always, please feel free to ask them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.